You're at the supermarket. Everything is in English. The signs, the stats, the checkout, the supermarket. One of those places you go every week but never really practice in English. Until today. I'm Mark, and this is English with Mark. If this is your first time, welcome. Let's start.
The supermarket. One of those places you go every week, but never really practice in English. Today, we fix that. Finding things, asking for help, reading labels, checking out. I say it, you repeat it. Every single line. Let's go. Section 1. Getting started. Walking in and getting your bearings. I need to go grocery shopping. I need to go grocery shopping. I'm making a shopping list. I'm making a shopping list. I need to pick up a few things. I need to pick up a few things. I grab a cart. I grab a cart. I grab a basket. I grab a basket. Where are the carts? Where are the carts? Excuse me, where can I find the pasta? Excuse me, where can I find the pasta? Is the bread in aisle 3? Is the bread in aisle 3? Which aisle is the cereal in? Which aisle is the cereal in? I'm looking for the dairy section. I'm looking for the dairy section. Good. Now you can find what you need. Section 2. Asking for help from staff. Excuse me. Excuse me. Can you help me find something? Can you help me find something? Do you carry this brand? Do you carry this brand? Do you have this in stock? Do you have this in stock? Is this on sale? Is this on sale? Do you have a bigger size? Do you have a bigger size? Do you have a smaller size? Do you have a smaller size? Is this the freshest one you have? Is this the freshest one you have? When does this expire? When does this expire? Do you have any more in the back? Do you have any more in the back? Section 3. Reading labels and comparing products. How much does this cost? How much does this cost? What's the price per kilo? What's the price per kilo? This one is cheaper. This one is cheaper. This one is better value. This one is better value. What are the ingredients? What are the ingredients? Is this gluten-free? Is this gluten-free? Does this contain dairy? Does this contain dairy? What's the expiry date? What's the expiry date? This expires next week. This expires next week. I'll go with this one. I'll go with this one. Section 4. Things you put in your cart. Real vocabulary. Things you actually buy. I need milk. I need milk. I need eggs. I need eggs. I need bread. I need bread. I need butter. I need butter. I need rice. I need rice. I need pasta. I need pasta. I need chicken. I need chicken. I need vegetables. I need vegetables. I need cooking oil. I need cooking oil. I forgot to get coffee. I forgot to get coffee. I need to go back for the bread. I need to go back for the bread. Section 5. At the checkout. This is where most people freeze. I'm ready to check out. I'm ready to check out. Which line is shortest? Which line is shortest? Is this line open? Is this line open? I only have a few items. I only have a few items. Can I use the self-checkout? Can I use the self-checkout? Do you have a loyalty card? Do you have a loyalty card? No, I don't. No, I don't. Yes, here it is. Yes, here it is. Do you need a bag? Do you need a bag? Yes, please, just one. Yes, please, just one. No thanks, I brought my own. No thanks, I brought my own. Section 6. Paying. Repeat both sides. Did you find everything okay? Did you find everything okay? Yes, thanks. Everything was great. Yes, thanks. Everything was great. That'll be $23.50. That'll be $23.50. Here's $30. Here's $30. Would you like your receipt? Would you like your receipt? Yes, please. Yes, please. Are you paying by card or cash? Are you paying by card or cash? By card, please. By card, please. Just tap here when you're ready. Just tap here when you're ready. Perfect, thank you. Perfect, thank you. Have a good day. Have a good day. You too, thanks. You too, thanks. Section 7. When something goes wrong. These sentences save you. Sorry, I think this rang up wrong. Sorry, I think this rang up wrong. This was supposed to be on sale. This was supposed to be on sale. The sign said $3.99. The sign said $3.99. Can you check the price on this? Can you check the price on this? I'd like to return this, please. I'd like to return this, please. I have the receipt. I have the receipt. It was damaged when I opened it. It was damaged when I opened it. Can I exchange it for another one? Can I exchange it for another one? I was charged twice for this. I was charged twice for this. Could you take that off, please? Could you take that off, please? Last section. Full natural sentences. Real things people actually say at the supermarket. I always end up buying more than I planned. I always end up buying more than I planned. I came in for 3 things and somehow my cart is full. I came in for 3 things and somehow my cart is full. Excuse me, do you know if this is organic? Excuse me, do you know if this is organic? I can't find the coconut milk anywhere. Is it with the Asian foods? I can't find the coconut milk anywhere. Is it with the Asian foods? Sorry, I left my card at home. Can I pay with my phone? Sorry, I left my card at home. Can I pay with my phone? Do you price match if I show you a cheaper price somewhere else? Do you price match if I show you a cheaper price somewhere else? I think I forgot something. Let me check my list real quick. I think I forgot something. Let me check my list real quick. That's your supermarket trip in English. Finding things, asking for help, checking out, handling problems. Next time you go shopping, say a few of these out loud, even just in your head. That's how it sticks. I'm Mark. See you in the next episode.